Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to add effects to clips in your timeline in Final Cut. Final Cut calls them effects. For a lot of people that use iPhones, you might actually consider these to be filters because generally speaking, that's kind of what it is. So we're going to follow our gray bar all the way to the right here. The second to last icon, it's sort of a double square. I'm going to click on that and that will bring up my effects browser. And in here you have all kinds of options, both video and audio. Over in this left tab here, you can see that I can narrow down the type of effects I'm looking for. So for example, I could click distortion and it will only show me the effects or filters for distortion. In this case right now, I'm going to stay on all. And let's say I wanted to make this black and white, for example. I can hover over the black and white effect and it will show me with the clip that my playhead is on right now, what that would look like. So you can do anything from black and white to colorize to, let's see, day into night is an interesting one. This kind of makes it look like it's a little later in the day than it actually was. There's one that's great for dream sequences. That's always a popular one. So you have a bevy of choices here. Film, by the way, is another good one too, a little film noir. So let's say we decided we wanted to go with a dream sequence. So I'm going to take this dream effect, or what I think of it more as is a filter, and I'm actually going to lay it right on top of the clip that I want to apply it to. So I'm going to drop that down on my timeline, and there we go. That clip now looks like a dream sequence. You see these bubbles up top, counting down right here? That is Final Cut rendering or processing your effect. So now we're good to go. We play this back. Yeah, nice little dream sequence there. Now, let's say it's a little too much of an effect. We can click on this clip and make sure that we're up here in our inspector. And when we're clicked on the film strip, you'll notice that one of the things listed here is dream. Let's say you wanted to take it out. You could always undo or just uncheck this and you'll have your clip back to normal again. Let's put that back in because what I really want to show you is that you can actually alter the amount of filter or effect that is applied. So let's say that's a little too dreamy. I can turn that down a little bit and you'll see what the difference is in adding that effect to that clip. And that's basically how effects work. It'd be kind of nuts if you just apply different effects to different video clips on the same timeline without good reason. If you want a dream sequence, apply that to all the clips in the dream sequence. If you want it to be a black and white film, apply it to all your clips on the timeline so it's a black and white film. So use them wisely, but you can have lots of fun.